So to create AI generated music and put it inside Unity, we could go and use a website like AIMusic.so, and in here you really just have to go and create an account, and then here on the front page we can go and say create now. Then we can go and describe what type of song that we want. So to just come up with something, I say inspirational gaming music for an open world game with a sci-fi theme, and I want this to be instrumental because we don't want anyone to sing over it. It should just be a background music, and then we can just go and say generate music. So when they are generated, you can go and listen to them. So I will go and use this as background music in my Unity project. So the way we're going to download it is just by clicking the download songs button, go and mark this one and say download. You are able to go and create like 2 to 5 songs a day inside this AI music for free, and I do think it depends on how long these songs are going to be. But once we have our song, let's go to Unity. But actually before going to Unity, you just want to go and unzip the zip file that you just downloaded. So go and right click, say extract all, and say extract. Then you can actually just go and drop this into your project. So once we have the song here, you can go to your hierarchy over here, right click, say audio and audio source, and then just call it background music. And since it is just background music, it's very easy to set up. Over in the audio resource here, you have to click the background music to get this audio source, and then inside the audio resource you just want to go and take the cosmic horizon here. Your song might be called something else, and then you will go and say loop, so it will just go and repeat the song over and over again. And also make sure that we have this play on awake enabled. So let's go and try the game. So it seems to look fine. I actually don't have a game in this project, but you could hear the music, and that is basically how you set AI music as your background music in Unity.